This is a Sub-Zero 42-inch built-in custom panel. Refrigerator panels are included, and this refrigerator comes with 6 months parts and labor warranty here in Phoenix, Arizona, and 2 months warranty nationwide. We cover parts and labor. We will ship nationwide. Like you see, these panels could come out and you can put any kind of custom paneling on this fridge. We can install stainless steel panels, which is instead of those overlay panels, it will be brand new stainless steel panels installed for extra $400. Let me know if you're interested on this unit. Thank you.